Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. Today is the first Monday of the year 2023. Okay, it is a wonderful period for each and every one of us to be together. So we're going to resume trading activities fully. The training is going to be full right from now, and of course there will be so many activities that will be going on. We'll be looking at so many session in order for us to make more money. We also be looking at the fiat currency market, the forex market. We will be looking at the synthetic indices market, and of course we will also be adding the crypto market to it. Okay, so so that we can have a full trend together, we can have the opportunity to make more money within this platform. So all you just need to do is just to stay tuned and make sure you watch this video to the end, because we're going to love every bit of it. Okay, you're going to love every bit of it. Everything is going to go well, and of course I'm ready to support you, to hold you by the end, so that we can make some huge profit for ourselves in this year. Okay, so we will continue from there right from here. Okay, in today's video we'll be looking at the trending markets. Okay, and of course we want to check out the assets that are really doing very well for this week, and of course and how we can take advantage of it. We won't be checking out the fiat currency market today, because the market is just opening today, so the market will not be totally stabilized. So we will be focusing more on the synthetic indices markets. Okay, so that we will check out the areas that are doing very well for this week and see how we can take advantage of the market. And this time around we're going to be more precise. We're going to make sure we get the best out of the market this time around. All I just need from you is your cooperation. I need you to stay tuned within the market. I need you to stay focused and make sure you follow the simple instruction, and do not be too greedy about the market. Okay, so you need to learn how to make profit first. Okay, so good, let's go straight into what we have right here. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away, so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, just like you guys have known, I will be using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis. For a few weeks now, we've been on a very strong downtrend on boom 1000. After getting to this resistance zone, you can see it has been going down and down and down. Okay, so in case you don't notice this, this is one of the beauty of the 3M trend Milka indicator. For those of you that are always saying that you want to see how you can trade for a very long time, you can see this right here. Each time it is, most especially when it is coming from the resistance zone on higher time frame, right, like this, and it points out a sell arrow, then definitely it's going to sell for long. You can just leave your trade open. There will be pullbacks in between. It's going to be a very long trade. Okay, but you will make a lot of profits with it, and that is one beautiful thing about it, and that is what has been happening. If you have been taking note of this, you can see this right here. You can see this right here. It's so till it got to this region, and of course you can see this also. And of course here is another one. You can see it kept on selling and selling till it got to this region, and you can always use your stop loss to hold it back in case it wants to pull back. Okay, that is just for another day. I'm just trying to let you see one of the areas which you can take advantage advantage of right from here. So quickly, let's see how you can make some cool profit from this. Okay, this is daily time frame, and just the way we have seen it, this has been on a very strong downtrend right from here. And of course, for so many weeks now, it has been breaking out from support zones, and of course it has been selling for a very long time. Broke out from this support zone around here, and of course it kept on selling, and right now it is at another support, around here. It broke out from another support zone, and of course at the moment it is approaching another support zone. Okay, so I had to check on weekly time frame to see where it is going. You can see this is about taking advantage of the market. You can see so many the trading activities took place around there, and that was how I usually milk the market with it. Once you know the direction of the market right from the beginning, then you will be able to milk the market with it. You can see this is where the current action price is, and as you can see, it is going down. Okay, if at all there's going to be any pullback, it should get to the tip of this candle, and that is where we are. Of course, we are looking at it to get to this region, okay, sorry about that, let me leave that and let me pick another one from here. Okay, we are looking at it to get to this region before it can have a major reversal. That is, if it does not break out from there. Okay, if it breaks out from here, then definitely it will have to get to here before we can have a major reversal, and if it breaks out from here, then it will have to get to the last stage. Okay, but for now, there will be pullbacks in between, and you know, pullbacks on higher time frame can be a major reversal on lower time frame. So that is why we are considering this particular candle. There is a candle right here which could serve as a weak support zone, and of course we are most likely to have a pullback around there. So once the market sell till it gets to this region, it may likely have a pullback at that point, but if it does not, then definitely it will break out from there and it will keep on selling till it gets to the next support zone. Okay, but for now this is going to be selling more today. Okay, it's still going to be selling more today until it gets to that region. Okay, and of course probably for the next 2 to 3 days it might sell more than buying. So all these are very, very important. So we can take advantage of this market today and use it to milk the market. Okay, and of course tomorrow you check it out if it has gotten to this support zone, and if it pulls back or if it breaks out below it. So all these are very, very important for you to take note of. Okay, so quickly let's move on to the next asset, which is going to be Boom 500. Okay, so this is Boom 500 and we are on daily time frame. Okay guys, this is Boom 500. We are on daily time frame. This has been on downtrend. You can see after having from this resistance zone, we had our sell signal around here, and you can see it kept on selling and selling. Okay, so that is the beauty of this indicator. So quickly, let's say it right here. This actually after getting to this support zone, it went back up, and of course it has gotten to this resistance zone, and it was unable to break out above the resistance zone, so it's pulled back. Okay, after the pullback it started at the moment it's pulled back and it is selling at the moment. Okay, so after the pullback, then it will continue with the buy trend. Okay, so that way once it breaks out above this resistance zone, then that means it will be going back on full buy trend, and at that point we should be having our blue arrow popping out at that point. But for now it is not popping out, so we need it to break out from this region. Okay, this ranging area. Okay, so once it breaks out above it, then it should be buying more. Okay, but for now, right now it is still more of a downtrend than an uptrend, so you need to take note of that. And if you should check out the direction of the market, let's look at 4 hours time frame so that we get to see how it is moving. Okay, you can see that it has been ranging within that region, so we need it to break out above this resistance zone. Okay, so once it goes back after this pullback, once it goes back to this resistance zone, it is most likely it breaks out above it. Once it breaks out above it, then definitely it will be buying more. Okay, it will be buying more. That might not really happen today. Probably in the next 2 days, it's we are most likely to see the bullish passion, trend of it. Okay, but for now it is still it is majorly crashing, just trying to pull back from this. Okay, it has been crashing for the last 12 hours. Okay, it's because this is 4 hours time frame. It crashed within the last 4 hours. It crashed also before then, and of course, so that has been happening for the last 12 hours. So right now it's trying to pull back a bit towards the resistance zone. So if it's able to break out above this resistance zone, then definitely it will go fully into a bullish trend. But I will advise you to wait for it to break out above this resistance zone before you say it will go fully into a buy trend. Okay, so let's look at crash 1000. This is daily time frame. Crash 1000 has got into this support zone, and it was unable to break out from there, so it is pulling back at the moment. So at the moment it is giving us more of a bullish pattern than a bearish pattern, so it will be buying more at the moment. So if you are smart enough today, it's going to be giving us more of a buying trend than a selling trend, but there will be pullbacks in between, most especially on lower time frame. So you should take note of that and use that opportunity to handle the market successfully. So all these are very, very important. So let's check out crash 500 also. Crash 500 has also gotten to this major support zone, and it was unable to break out from there. Okay, yesterday it finished the market or the candle on a bullish pattern, okay, or with a bullish candle, and today it has started it with a bullish candle and is still on the bullish pattern. So it is going to be buying more than selling. At least if at all it's going to pull back, it should get to this resistance zone on our daily time frame before there will be a major pullback. So this should be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Let's check out 4-hour time frame. You can see it on 4-hour time frame that it has created two different 4 hours bullish candle, and it is moving towards this resistance zone. Once it breaks out above this resistance zone, then it's going to buy more at that particular point. Okay, so all these are very, very important for us to take note of. So once we are able to achieve this, then you will be able to milk the market successfully for a very long time. Let's look at volatility 75. This is volatility 75, guys. Volatility 75 has been on a very strong downtrend starting from here. Okay, you can see it right from here, starting from here, and of course at the moment it is going back on downtrend. Okay, it is on downtrend, and of course at the moment it has gotten to the support zone and may likely go back on uptrend just the way we are seeing, because if it's not breaking out below this support zone, then definitely it will be buying more. But we need it to move up above this region, Once it crosses above this, then it's going to be buying more. It should buy more till it gets to somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here before we can have a major reversal. So it should be giving us more of a bullish pattern in this way than a bearish pattern, except if there is a little pullback within that region. Okay, so all these are very, very important for us to take note of. Okay, so guys, these are all what that we are able to come up with today. All you just need to do is just to make sure you understand every part of it and apply them carefully whenever you are trading this week. Okay, most especially today. If you should notice, I have to give us a reason for you to trade today. I have been highlighting the direction of the markets for the trading activities today, okay, so that you can know how to go about it, apart from the one that can happen in this week. But today you need to know how, the direction of the market, so that you know what to trade today. So all you just need to do is just to follow up with the analysis one after the other, so that you know how to go about it. So I will be stopping right there. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away, so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.